Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to give you an update on the portfolio, the spreadsheet, the trackyourdividends.com, because we bought a new position, not a new position, but we increased the position. And we're going to talk about the sea of red that has happened in the marketplace. But it's okay because it's like Black Friday and it's a Black Friday sale. And if you haven't got into these maybe companies that you wanted to get into, maybe it's a good time. And so we will get right into it here. We will give you an update on the portfolio end of the week. The portfolio closed out at $8,645.27, down $136.15, down 1.55% for the day. As you can see, that is a big drop at 1.55%. At the 1 week mark, we are down $33.48, down 0.39%. For the 1 month, we're up $547.65, up 6.76%. For the 3 months, we're up $508.82. For the 1 year, we're up $1,470.33, up 20.49%. And for the all since starting this portfolio, we are up $1,685.89, up 24.22%. We will go ahead and head to the position that we did purchase today, which was Loblaws Co's, ticker symbol L. Closing out at $96.44, down 89 cents on the day, down 0.91%. We own now 8 shares of this, total position value of $771.52. Average price of getting in is $71.85. Percentage of the portfolio that it holds is 8.99%. Total return today was down $6.81, down 0.87%. And total return since owning the position is $196.74, with a percentage return of 34.23%. So if we go down here, we did buy 1 share at $97.02 at 9:16 this morning. You know, I did buy it when I saw a little bit of a drop, but it did drop some more, I think about by 60 odd cents again. But it is fine because it just happened all over the market. There were a few that maybe were green today, but a lot were down and in the red, which is fine. And so we will head to trackyourdividends.com and we will update a few things here. If you take a look here at the default portfolio, the portfolio last week closed out at $8,431, not including the cash portion. It was up $1,786. And the dividend yield as of today, if we didn't without the updated position, would be 3.2%. And our yield on cost is 4.07% because we use the strategy of dollar cost averaging. Annual income on this portfolio last week was $270. So you can see here, if we go down to Loblaws, we only had 7 shares. Our average cost was $68.25, down 89 cents on the day. And we are currently making $4.69 from this position for the year. And our yield is 0.98%. Okay, so we'll go ahead and add a holding. And our ticker symbol for this one is L, not J, L.TO, because we are in Canada. There it is, Loblaws. We bought 1 share. And we purchased it at $97.02. Go ahead and add that holding. We'll change a few things up here. So as you can see here, the portfolio itself increased from $8,528. We were up $1,785. Dividend yield of 3.18%. Yield on cost is 4.02%. Annual income of $271. And that is the position now. And our yield on cost for this one, our dollar cost, our average price of Loblaws is $71.85. Went up quite a bit. And our annual income now is $5.36. Obviously, I cannot talk today. But that is the dividend tracker on trackyourdividends.com. And if you want to take a look at the portfolio, here it is. And so we will head back to Wealthsimple Trade and we'll do a quick update on the spreadsheet, which I'll pop up on the screen. And there it is. So as you can see here, dividends for November have increased to $25.10. Our year-over-year growth for dividends total is $181.01. We have a growth of 942% using $17.37 as the baseline from last year. Of course, it wasn't a full year, so that number is a bit skewed. We will have more accurate numbers come 2022. We have net deposits this year at $5,089.38, which also includes referrals. If you haven't used the referral link right now for a limited time, get 4x the rewards when you refer a friend. So if you haven't yet, here's a good time to sign up for Wealthsimple Trade, get your 4 free stocks based on what this is telling me. And it's not 4 free stocks, it's 4 stocks, the value of those stocks that you'll get into your cash account, in your personal account, then you can just transfer to your tax-free savings account. Total invested is $6,959.38. Market value of $8,636.79, which means we have a performance of 11.26% for the year. So again, if you haven't used that referral link, it is down below, and you can use that to get your 4 free stocks. The market, let's talk about the market, because it has been a day, and it's been such a day that I just forgot I didn't do my intro. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So the market today literally was a Black Friday sale. It was a sea of red, and everything was down. There were maybe a few positions that maybe were in the green, but most of them were red. If you saw in the thumbnail, that is what we call a stock heat chart, which is, I believe, just the S&P 500. You can find these heat charts for any kind of index. The Dow Jones, I do believe has one, and I'm not sure if the TSX has one. I actually haven't looked myself, but if there is, please feel free to let me know. Is this a good opportunity for people to start new positions? Possibly. If you've been having something on your watch list, for example, like Apple, like these companies, or whatever companies that you may be interested in starting a position, maybe it is a good time to maybe start a position and slowly build that position. And we don't know if this is going to keep going. If you saw in the last video, we talked about how the stock market has gone nutty, and it definitely went nutty today, right after Thanksgiving in the US. And now it's Friday, and it's a Black Friday sale. So I guess this is where you tell people buy the dip. This is not financial advice, of course. Please do your due diligence. And yeah, I'm not a licensed professional. I'm just a guy on YouTube making YouTube videos. It might be a good time to start using that battle chest that you've been saving up and waiting for the right time to buy. Of course, you cannot time the market, but you always take the opportunities that you can, because you don't want to have the cost of missed opportunity. But also remember, if you're a new investor where you haven't faced this and you started investing in that time where the market was continuing to go up, which I'm not saying it's going to continue to go down. I'm just saying that this was a big day of red, and it's probably not something you're used to if you're a newer investor and you're still learning all this stuff. And so please proceed with caution if you are going to be doing anything like that. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is that there is some noise going around regarding Chinese stocks. And maybe I'll talk about that in another video, but I just want to caution a lot of people that maybe were thinking of buying Chinese companies. I just want you to know that when you do purchase these companies on the US stock exchange, a lot of them actually are not stocks. They're something else, and they don't actually give you ownership of the company. They give you a portion of the profits of the company. So for example, like when you purchase American stocks or Canadian stocks, you get a portion of the company, and that includes the profits. So if the company goes under and the company has to sell, and whatever's left over gets distributed to shareholders. Wherein if you are purchasing stocks like Alibaba, Tencent, and things like that, just be aware that if that company goes under and they have to sell all their assets, and you own quote unquote shares because you bought them on the US stock exchange, you actually do not get what is left over of that company. You are actually just buying the rights to a portion of the profits of the company. And if there are no profits, you make no money. And so I know that there was a company that was supposed to be listed on the US stock exchange. It was a rideshare company. in China, but they pulled that rug right underneath investors' feet. I'm sure Jim Cramer talked about it, I think, on a show, but that's Jim. And I don't really take advice from Jim, but I do enjoy his show. Please be very cautious of that if you are invested in any Chinese companies. And I'm not using this as a political thing or anything like that. I am just giving you guys a warning. Really do your research on what you are buying when it comes to Chinese companies, because a lot of people thought maybe they were stocks, but they're actually not stocks. They are, yes, listed on the US stock exchange, but it doesn't give you ownership of the company. It only gives you rights to a portion of the profits, which is typically their bottom line. Other than that, guys, we will go ahead and get this referral link, because again, you can get 4 free stocks in the description down below. But we will go ahead and open this here. So we'll go ahead and hit rewards. And Marta, just want to give a big thank you to you for using the referral link down below. As you can see here, our total value earned from referrals is $466.65. So I just want to say a big thank you to all that did use the referral link, and let's continue to do that. So we'll go ahead and claim that free stock and see what we get. And GGB at 572, never even heard of this company, but we'll go ahead and deposit that reward right into the account with that $7.27 that we got previously. And again, we'll invite more friends maybe later. Okay. And so that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. And for any Americans that are watching this, have a happy Thanksgiving, which was yesterday. The video is coming out today, or yeah, on Saturday. And happy Black Friday shopping. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Welcome back to the... It is a red of...